I'd like to tell you about an exciting new product we have at Sailing Company, which is a USB scope adapter for less than $180 that is 7 functions all in one unit. It's a 2 MHz scope sampling at 20 megasamples per second. It's a 3 MHz waveform generator, either arbitrary waveform or standard waveform. It's got 8 lines of outputs, 8 lines of inputs. It's got a built-in noise generator. It also has a PWM output, and it can do bow plots while you wait. So if you want to do linearity of your circuit you've just designed, the built-in sweep generator can show you the frequency response and plot it out instantly. 2 channels of 10-bit scope is fairly common, but this unit runs under Linux and Mac and Windows. It can also be interfaced in MATLAB or Visual Basic. It's LabVIEW compatible, and it has open source software, so you can change the software and make it do exactly what you want. For all these functions, less than $180 and running on a Mac even is quite amazing. So give us a call at Sailing Company. That's 1-888-7-SAELIG, and we'll be happy to talk about it and see what your needs are best served by. Maybe you need something even more expensive or more sophisticated, but this is great for electronics, tool benches, for anybody who wants to just pop one with their laptop into their service kit for doing repairs on the road. Very lightweight. Great for students. Some Canadian universities are specifying these as essential pieces of equipment to learn their labs. We even have lab experiments and written suggestions for lab testing and experiments for teachers in the electronics workbench area. So give us a call if that's what you need too. So have a look at our product on our website sailing.com, www.saelig.com. Thanks for watching.